Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10th science. This is KSEAB model paper 1 2024-25. This is part C biology. In the previous video, we have answered for part B chemistry of paper 2. Now let us move for part C biology of paper 1. The biology part start from that is 11th main, that is from question number 26. So 26th question is biology question. The type of reproduction during plasmodium is. So plasmodium nalli nadiyantadu yavadu anta nododadre among these four options the right option is multiple fission. So for the 26th question the right option is option D, that is multiple fission. Next, let us move for 27th question. Pyruvate in muscle cells dash plus energy anta ide. So that is among these here X represents dash anta ide. Oxygen. Among these four options the right option is lactic acid. So for 27th question the right option is option C, that is lactic acid. Now let us move for 28th question. So observe the female reproductive system given in figure A and B. The correct statement related to this figure is in figure A, option A, fertilization of egg is possible in both of the structure. So among these four options, the right option is, so here they have done tubectomy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯೂಬೆಕ್ಟಮಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫ್ಯಾಲೋಪಿಯನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಯಾಲೋಪಿಯನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಗ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಎ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಎ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ದ egg can receive the sperm, where fertilization can takes place. For 28th question the right option is C, that is fertilization of egg is possible. Fertilization of egg is possible only in the structure of figure A. Now let us move for 12th main, that is question number 29. So in the question number 29 they have given, so write the diagram of open stomata. So open stomata diagram question. Now let us move for question number 30. So that is sexual reproduction leads to more variation. Why? Because so sexual reproduction leads to variation because there is change in DNA copying. Due to change in DNA copying, it leads to more variation. Now let us move for question number 31. Use of non-biodegradable substances should be minimized. Why anta kelidare? Because they causes land, water and air pollution. Therefore they should be minimized. Now let us move for question number 32. How is ozone layer formed? Production of ozone layer is necessary. Why? Give reasons. So let us answer question number 32. So how ozone layer is formed? So in the earth atmosphere, oxygen is present in presence of UV, that is ultraviolet radiation, O2 get converts into O. That is O2 give rise to O plus O. O combines with O2 to form O3. So O plus O2 give rise to O3. So like this ozone layer is formed, and this a molecule of 3 atom of oxygen is called as ozone. So why ozone layer should be protected? Because it causes skin cancers, skin cancer and skin allergies. Second one, it causes premature cataract. Next, let us move for ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು internal choice question ಇದೆ. Give an example for a food chain of an aquatic ecosystem. If there is increase in the number of organisms in the third trophic level, how does this affect on that food chain? So let us write one aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic ecosystem, this is our question. So in the aquatic ecosystem, pond will be there. In the pond, scorpion will be there. So in the pond, plants will be there, and these plants will be eaten by scorpion. Scorpion will be eaten by fishes, and fishes will be eaten by swan. So this is the aquatic ecosystem. If there is increase in number, so third trophic level andre fishes. If fishes are third trophic level, organism increases, the increased organisms, the increased organism will not get sufficient food, and hence they cannot survive. Now let us move for question number 33. Round seed producing capital R pea plant is hybridized with wrinkled seed producing small r pea plant. Mention the results obtained in F2 generation. With the help of checkerboard, write the genotypic ratio of plant types. So let us answer question number 33. So capital R, this is the genotype, and the gamete formed small r when crossed with small r. The genotype is small r and the gametes are small r. That means segregation ಆಯಿತು. So ಈಗ in F1 generation, so gametes capital R, small r, these are the gametes. R with R, capital R, capital small r, small r. all the possible baby plants will have the same genotype, that is capital R, small r, that is the uh, the plant will produce round shape seed. This is F1 generation. Now let us move for F2 generation. So what the possible baby plants we get in F1, that will get self-pollinated. Capital R, small r will be the genotype, and capital R and small r are the gametes. Capital R, small r are the genotype, and the gametes are capital R, small r. So let us undergo self-pollination. So gametes, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R with capital R with small r with capital R, small r with small r. So he asked, write the genotypic ratio. Mention the result anta ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. So result ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, so result ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? So 3 plants will give round seed and 1 plant will give wrinkled seed. Therefore phenotypic ratio is 3:1 or 75:25. Then genotypic ratio 1:2:1. So this is about F2 generation. Now let us move for 34th question. How is the sex of the child will be determined in the human beings? So then R, how do Mendel's experiments show that the parental traits are inherited independently to the offspring of next generation? So let us explain both of them. So how is the sex of the child will be determined in human beings? So father's 23rd pair of chromosome. Father 23rd pair of chromosome. So it will be XY. And mother's 23rd pair of chromosome. Mother 23rd pair of chromosome will be XX. So these are the genotype. So father's XY, so it will get segregated as XY, and mother's XX will segregated as XX. Now let us write the checkerboard for this one. So gametes, capital XXY, and the gametes are XX. So X combines with X, XX, the child will be girl. X combines with X, the child will be girl. Y combines with X, XY, the child will be boy. Y combines with X, XY, the child will be boy. So 50-50% chances, 50-50% chances of getting either a boy or a girl baby. Either a boy or girl baby. The gender of the child depends on father's chromosome. the gender of the child depends upon father chromosomes. So this is about the sex of the child. Now let us move for Mendel's experiment. That is, how do Mendel's experiment show that the parental traits are inherited independently? For that one, let us take an example. A round shaped seed which is green in color, and a wrinkled shaped seed with yellow color. So round ge capital R, green ge small y, wrinkled ge small r, yellow ge capital Y. So here round is dominant and wrinkled is recessive, green is recessive and yellow is dominant. So these are the genotype. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ segregate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capital R small y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ segregate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ small r capital Y. So small r capital Y. So let us move for F1 generation. So first to F1 generation ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So F1 generation ಅಲ್ಲಿ gametes they have given as capital R small y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r capital Y, capital R capital small r, capital Y small y, capital R small r, small y capital Y, capital R small r, small y capital Y, capital R small r, small y capital Y. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in F1 generation all the possible baby plants will have the same genotype. In F1 generation all the possible baby plants will have the same genotype, that is capital R small r, capital Y small y. This is the genotype. So now the possible baby plants which we got in F1 generation will undergo self pollination, capital R small r, capital Y small y. So now the genotype, that is gametes, it will get segregated, capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y, capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y. So let us move for F2 generation. Now capital R, capital Y. So round yellow. Capital R, capital R small y. So round yellow. Capital R small r, capital Y. So round yellow. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. So round yellow. Capital R, capital Y small y. So round yellow. Capital R, small y. So round green. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. So round yellow. Capital R small y, small y. Round green. Capital R small r, capital Y. Round yellow. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. Round yellow. Small r, capital Y. So wrinkled yellow. Small r, capital Y small y. So wrinkled yellow. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. So round yellow. Capital R small y small y. So round green. Small r, capital Y small y. So wrinkled yellow. Small r, small r, small y, small y. So wrinkled green. So now let us write the phenotypic ratio, that is round yellow is to round green is to wrinkled yellow is to wrinkled green. Round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled green 3, wrinkled green 1, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ರೌಂಡ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತೆ wrinkled green ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, these two characters are expressed independently. So round yellow and wrinkled green, these are the two characters that are expressed independently. This is called as law of independent assortment, which has been stated by John Gregor Mendel. So like this we have to answer for this question. Now let us move for question number 35. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. So how are phototropism, thigmotropism and chemotropism coordinated in the apparent movement of creepers? So climbing up plants towards particular direction. So let us answer this question. So let us answer question number 35. So first one is phototropism. It involves the growth of a plant. It involves a growth of a plant towards or away from light. Then thigmotropism. It involves the growth of plant towards or away from a chemical stimulus. Away from a chemical stimulus. Then so this is chemotropism, not thigmo, chemo. Then thigmotropism. It involves the growth of a plant towards or away from a solid support. Therefore, these tropism helps the creepers to climb in a particular direction. So this is the answer for question number 35, first one. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. What is the role of insulin, estrogen and thyroxine hormones in our body ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So now let us move for question. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 35th ಅಲ್ಲಿ internal choice question. So 35th internal choice question. So first to insulin, it regulates blood sugar level. Then second one, estrogen, it helps to produce eggs. Then second one, it is responsible for a secondary sexual character in female. Then the third one is thyroxine. It regulates metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates in our body. Now let us move for question number 37. So question number 37, they have given what is cross pollination? What are the changes that occur in flower after fertilization? So let us write what is pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a pistil. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ what are the changes that occur in flower after fertilization? After fertilization, after fertilization, after fertilization, ovule become a thick coat called seed. Ovule become a thick coat called seed. Then ovary becomes fruit. Ovary becomes fruit. So this is what changes that we can observe during that is after fertilization. Next, let us move for 37. So that is 37th question is that is diagram question. That is you have to write the diagram of human brain. So human brain, it is a 4 marks diagram question. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ cerebrum ಮತ್ತೆ cerebellum ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next 38th ಬರೋಣ. Explain, and the last question, explain the process of digestion in the small intestine of man. Digestion in the small intestine of man. Mention the importance of double circulation in our body. What are the differences between xylem and phloem tissues? So let us answer this question now. So first ಬರೋಣ. First point, from stomach food reaches small intestine. Second point, in the duodenum of small intestine, pancreas pancreas will secrete pancreatic juice to small intestine. This pancreatic juice has enzymes trypsin, helps in digestion of proteins. Then pancreatic lipase helps in digestion of fats. Then pancreatic amylase helps in digestion of carbohydrates. Helps in digestion of carbohydrates. From liver, bile juice is secreted into small intestine where digestion of fats takes place. After complete digestion, in small intestine, the food from villi will be supplied to blood, which will be carried to all the parts of our body. Next, mention the importance of double circulation in our body. So double circulation, so importance of double circulation in our body. First one, it keeps our body temperature. It keeps our body temperature constant. Second one, the second, it provides efficient supply of oxygen. So these are the two advantages. Then B question, let us write the differences between xylem and xylem tissue and phloem tissue. First point, it is a water conducting tissue. It is a food conducting tissue. Second one, it takes place only in upward direction. It takes place both in upward and downward direction. In both upward and downward direction. Then it is due to transpiration pull. It takes place by using some ATP of energy. So these are the differences between xylem tissue and phloem tissue. So by this successfully we have answered all the questions related to part C biology of model paper 1. In the next video we are going to answer for model paper 2 part C biology. Till then, thank you very much. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much. Thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel.